back to IKEA now, shopping for the new house. We have come by metro and there's direct entry from metro itself. You don't have to get down and walk. So yeah, it's a good thing. Pehle nahi tha. I think I came last year. Yeah, it's been a year that I've come to IKEA. So yeah, now let's go. First paid puja. We are quite hungry, not eaten anything, and now it's 12:45. So we are going to have a brunch and start our shopping. This is my OOTD. Very casual and comfy. So that's that. My hair is all greasy, but theek hai. So yeah, let's go. We are at the entrance now. There's such a lot of queue for food and we have come at a wrong time. It's so crowded. So this is our food court. There is self-service and let's see what they have. Very less vegetarian options. So let's see. Cold beverage, red velvet cake, veggies and sauce. I think that's all. Wrap was over. I actually wanted to try the wrap and I really like the wraps here, so it was out of stock. And there was chicken wrap. So yeah, and baki kya tha? You have all bakery things, cookies and bread rolls, and yeah, I think that's it. And this time I didn't take cheesecake. It's actually yum. I would recommend that, but I wanted to try the red velvet cake. It's the first time here I'm seeing it, so I'll try that and let you guys know. Trying out the brownie first. इसमें आइसक्रीम रहता तो अच्छा है. It's nice. I'm so hungry. Tasting the red velvet now, and also we got cola, the refillable beverage. First thing we picked is क्या है ये? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कपड़े लगाने का. So this is 8 pieces for 79. Blue oryx set. I like this rack. I was saying for that. And this is the sofa. This is the stand I wanted and the sofa. It actually looks good together. I'm looking for the organizers. I've come here to check the sizes and see how it feels. I had actually planned this one, but it's so low in height. Yeah, it's too low, and this is for 9K. I can afford that, but the other one, which this has a deeper drawer, but that is out of my budget. Now I don't know what to do, because I have very less storage in my house, so I really wanted these chest of drawers. I think the one I showed you at the first is better. It has a good height. I'm not sure. So we are now done with the display part. So everything here is for you to shop. So yeah, this is where you get everything and take. I need a curtain for my house. That is the main thing I want. So yeah, I'll see you guys in some time. I'll do the remaining shopping. Let's see. This is the lamp we were seeing. This on an online store, but this looks so bad. Look at this. So flimsy. The stand is also flimsy. Look at this. Yeah. So you have to see the things once you come here. You can't just buy online. So yeah, let's go for billing and I'll see you guys in some time. That's all for the vlog. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys in the end all the products. So yeah, we are done with the shopping and heading back home. Stay tuned for the haul. I will show everything whatever I have got in this video itself. Won't make a separate video. Okay, so coming back to our haul, this is everything. Now you don't get the paper bags anymore, so you have to buy the cloth bag, and you can also carry your personal bags and go, because I totally forgot to take the bags, so I had to purchase this. Let's begin with our haul. The second time on this channel, and yeah, I have moved out already. It was necessary for me to go to IKEA and see for the things which I need in this house. So that's that. And let's begin with the first thing that I can see here is this. Again, I am going to show you guys organizers as the last video. So this is the first organizer. This is for my jewelry. So it has compartments, if you can see. I have too many jewelry which is like lying around in packets, in covers. So yeah, I want to like get rid of those and put them all in one. Also, I don't wear jewelry because I don't remember that I have one. So yeah, that is that. Next I can see is this, what is this? It's a drawer mat. So usually in our houses we used to use newspapers, so this is a fancy thing. This is something aesthetic. So we have drawer mats and you can put them in the shelf. You can cut it to the size, whatever size you want. So that's that. It looks aesthetic, plus the furniture does not get spoiled. So that's that. So yeah, I don't remember any prices, so I'll leave everything on the screen. And yeah, everything is almost under 1,000. Yeah, I think everything is under 999. So next I can see is this pen stand. Actually this comes with a pegboard, you can say, which you can hang it above your study. So I didn't want to take that because I have to drill my walls here. I don't want to do that here in this rented apartment. So let's see how I go about with that. But right now I wanted a pen stand. It was a much needed for my study table. I will show you guys. That is also from IKEA, and there were few things which I didn't show you guys, which I got it the last time I moved out. So I'll show you guys when we are having our house tour. Of course we are going to have, nothing is set up, but yeah, we are going to have that. And this is for that, the pen stand. This was just, I think, 99 rupees. Crazy, right? So this is really aesthetic. This is, before I forget, here these are the things that I got from IKEA last time. I didn't show you guys the flowers, but randomly I had been and I just picked a flower, and I was not vlogging at that time. So yeah, this is that. It was for $2.99 or something. It was on sale. So this is from DMart, and this is the planter that you saw it in the last video. So next we have this hanger when you have to dry your clothes, so you can hang your socks and all of that. This is really a good purchase. I think this was just for 49 rupees. Next we have, on those lines, clips to hang your clothes. I didn't have any clips to hang here in this house, so I badly needed these, and I was not buying anything in the stores because I wanted something aesthetic again. So these are really cute and pastel colored cloth drying pegs. So yeah, these I got 2 of these. They are set of 8, I guess. And again, I don't know the prices. I'll mention it on the screen. Next, we have for the kitchen, we have this drying mat, dish drying mat. You can see the picture here. So this is that. I wanted to buy the tray. I'll leave the picture here. I saw it on the app, but I didn't like it the moment I saw it there. So this is really a good tip that everyone says, that you have to go to IKEA to see the things how they look, because you don't know, like when you shop online, you don't know how they come out, and yeah, if you really need it. So yeah, I was eyeing that dish drying tray from a long time. It was really aesthetic, it looked pretty, and I thought it looked good as well, like on the counter it looks good. But when I saw that, I thought it's a bit bulky to keep, and I didn't want to take that. So this is a pretty good option. Like you can lay this mat, everything will get dried on this. So yeah, that's a good option. And yeah, I live alone, so I don't have a lot of utensils. That works well for me. But yeah, that's that. Lines, we have gloves. Yeah, these are cleaning gloves, and I had seen pink one from Scotch-Brite. I think I had wishlisted in Amazon, but I found this in a better price range, so I got this. And these looks good. Pink looks, it's like to your eyes, it's so bright. So anyway, I like pink, but that's the reason. These look subtle, and these look like cleaning gloves. So yeah, also the purpose of buying this is I wash my own utensils. I don't have a maid here. If I have to do any cleaning in this house, I can use these gloves, and also my hands get very dried. I use hand creams most of the times for those reasons. So that's that. And let's see how it goes using the gloves. And I've not yet tried. Almost everything is white and green in this house. So next up on those lines, again the kitchen part, we have these sponges for washing your vessels. So these looked aesthetic, and I'm running out of those. The ones I use is Scotch-Brite again. So I thought let's try this one and see how it comes out to be. So this is a pack of 3, so I thought let's try it out and see how it works. Next we have this soap dispenser. This is for my bathroom. I really wanted a soap dispenser. I don't want to keep those Dettol bottles. I wanted this for aesthetic purpose, and this also looks so pleasant, like so pleasing to your eyes. Yeah, of course you might be thinking bathroom में कौन जाएगा, कौन देखेगा? मैं जाऊँगी, मैं देखूँगी. So I want to see it. So I think yeah, this is a pretty good option, and this was very affordable. I think 69 rupees. This is a good quality. Also, I have given it to my mom. Last time when I went, she uses this. There was also one more variant which was on sale, but it had a metal ring, so there is rust all over, so that's that. So this is a pretty good option. Like my mom has been using this, and I thought I'll get it for myself too. Next we have lint roller refills. So I have a lint roller which I showed it to you guys the last time in the last haul, so I got refills for that. But these are cheaper actually. So you get the lint roller for 99 and you get 4 of these for something here. I'll put it up here. I got these organizers for the kitchen supplies that I have been keeping them under the sink. So they are so cluttered that I wanted to organize them in a box so it remains there. But actually I got a good option for those organizers. Like I bought a different boxes for that. I'll show you guys in my next haul. That is a miscellaneous home decor haul which will be coming up soon. These boxes were extra, so I thought let's use this in my drawers where I can keep my undergarments or socks or anything like those small garments. So yeah, looks really good and you can organize, you can stack these. So that's that. This also comes with a lid. I didn't want a lid, so you have to pay extra for the lid, but anyway I didn't need a lid. You can use it with the lid as well. So the last thing here we have is this flower. I got 2 of these just in case. So yeah, I have this bottle which is very pretty. It's like very slender and it looks really cute. So I thought let's use this flower in those and let's buy this. And I think this was just 49 or 69 rupees for one actually. So yeah, that's it for the haul, IKEA haul for you guys. I hope you guys like this very minimal, very simple, very small vlog or haul for you guys. I know it is not like a huge interesting stuff, but I'm going to show you guys these things whichever I get. I don't want to make it like a combined haul or something like that, because I know that can get boring. So yeah, this is a pretty small haul for you guys, and stay tuned. There are so many videos coming up for home decor and all the home stuff, home essential stuff, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.